Hi Pelo, thanks for visiting my channel again. I have planning to go back to the Philippines because there's some emergency. So I just get this aquaculture for my aquarium. I am gonna be gone for 21 days to be exact. So this one is the automatic fish feeder. Dispense flake or pellets, food twice a day. So that's the one I'm planning to do. I'm gonna do it 2 times a day. And that's the box itself. So if you want to read it, and that's CATDDAF3W. Maybe that's the model number. I got it from Walmart. Distributed by Walmart Store INC, Bentonville, AR 72716. So let's open this one for you. Here we go. I'm not gonna stay you forever to watch this one. So I already put some pellet here, and I put some flakes, and I put some granules. So let's see if this one's work. So I already put some tape there. So that's the one I put inside. I'm not gonna show you how you put it. Just easy. Just remove this. Just pull this one out, and it's gonna be removed. And I put some tape too to stay there. And I put some mark. So I put the lowest adjustment that, because I have only 7 little fish. And if you put in a negative sign, so reduce the food for your fish. So that's the one that I do. Very small amount. And there's a off and switch here. On and then up. And this one, they count hour. And let's say you do for 24 hours 2 times. So this one is turning like this, and until you reach the 12 hours. So 12 hours automatically, when this one line up 90 degrees, so they gonna give you some food. So that's how much you put it. And this one is gonna be turned again to stop. And if you want to stop it, you can put this one in up there. And in order to be aligned to my aquarium, you need to use this popsicle to line up, or else you're gonna be flip it like this. So this one is used for like stopper. So I'm gonna show you that later. So that's how this one is work. Very straightforward to use. So let's see if this one's work. So this one, you can lose it. So for example, this one is the top of your aquarium. Just put it like this. Like this. And put the popsicle stick there to make a good sit. Most especially mine is not even, so do like that. And lock it. So that's how it works. So just a sample. So let's proceed to the aquarium and let's use it. Wait for 21 days. So let's see what's the result, if it is work or not. But I'm thinking that this one's work, because that's the one, that's the way they design it. So that's the front. So remove it again. Sorry for the glare, but that the one, it says automatic fish feeder daily double. So this one is very straightforward to use. So you can just pull this one out, and the battery is there. I use the basic 1.5 AA. It doesn't matter as long that it's AA. I think it works. So let's proceed to the aquarium and let's see if this one's work, and wait for 21 days and I show you after 21 days. So let's wait. So here's the result after I use this Aquaculture Daily automatic fish feeder. After 21 days, when I get home out of the house, this is all the 7 fish they can survive. But as you can see, it's very messy. The water is dirty. A lot of food waste there, poop. Even my plants is turned to brown, but my bowl is still green. And the one in a shipwreck, the leaves is dirty too, so it's time to clean now. And here's the feeder. It looks like, I just tell you earlier that you need some popsicle to align it so that it stays in a shape, not wobbling. There's a little bit residue there for the food. When you start to spraying it and put it in the water, it says there they have some water here. Remove this one so that it look like there's a lot of waste food there, but it's all right. Very dirty. It's time to clean it now. So that the good thing, my 7 fish is they survive for 21 days that I'm out of the house. Be sure that you have some flow of water there for their oxygen. It's very dirty too. See that filter there, water filter. Everything is dirty. So let's clean it right now. So let's see how this one. So hopefully I can clean it well. I start first with the shipwreck and I clean this glass, rub it, change the water at least like 25% to 30%. So let's do it now. So here we go. I already clean it. So I decided to not to put the shipwreck because I need to clean the gravel. I'm gonna do manually to clean that one. So for now, just like that. So water's a little bit not clean yet, but I already changed for a 25%. So soon, by use of this filter, it's gonna be cleaned up. So that's the result after 21 days. So after I clean it, so far I like this feeder, so highly recommended. So you can see my fish, 7 fish is still alive. So the water's dirty and there's a lot of dirty things there, the poop, and my water plant balls or moss, it's survived. And they start building some plant there too. So same as the top. And my plant here on the other side, it survived too. So there's a little bit dirt here. I need to clean the one up too soon, but I don't have time to right now. So my concern is the feeders work. So 100% work, so I like it. I'm just gonna keep this one, so hopefully they last. So I'm gonna wait until my next vacation again. So I have my emergency, that's why I take off quick and leave my aquarium by itself. So I think that'll be it. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Peace. Bye. Thanks.